Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many of the brands featured in this lineup are well known and highly trusted by automotive enthusiasts, but Royal Purple has earned a particularly strong reputation among owners of high-performance vehicles. Their API-licensed motor oils meet the latest API and ILSAC specifications and are also approved under GM's DEXOS 1 standard for gasoline engines. Royal Purple's synthetic oils are formulated with advanced additive technology that reduces metal-to-metal contact, exceeding both GM DEXOS 1 and ILSAC GF5 requirements. This ensures superior engine protection while also improving fuel efficiency and safeguarding exhaust emissions systems. One of the standout features of these oils is their patented anti-wear additive chemistry, which helps minimize the damaging effects of exhaust gases on the catalytic converter, extending the life of emissions equipment and maintaining optimal performance. For vehicles using gasoline blended with ethanol, Royal Purple's synthetic oil is an excellent choice. Its unique additive package prevents issues like white sludge buildup and lubrication starvation, which can occur with higher concentrations of ethanol in fuel. This makes it especially beneficial for modern engines running on E10, E15, or other ethanol-enriched fuels. While Royal Purple's oils are priced higher than many other products on the market, the cost reflects the premium quality, advanced protection, and proven performance offered. They remain among the most popular and highly rated synthetic oils available today, making them a go-to option for drivers who want maximum engine protection, reliability, and long-term efficiency in both everyday driving and high-performance conditions. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. For diesel engine owners seeking a high-quality synthetic oil, Shell's Rotella lineup is a top choice. Designed to outperform conventional 15W30 oils, this fully synthetic option can boost fuel efficiency by up to 2.8%, making it an appealing choice for drivers who want both performance and savings. Rotella's Triple Protection Plus formula blends premium synthetic base oils with advanced additives, providing comprehensive protection for engine components and helping extend overall engine life. This combination is especially effective at defending against the damaging effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants that can accumulate in diesel engines over time. One of the key advantages of Rotella T6 is its engineered shear stability, which ensures the oil maintains its viscosity under high-stress conditions and prevents thinning that can compromise oil pressure. Maintaining proper viscosity is critical for protecting critical engine components, particularly in heavy-duty applications or vehicles subjected to long hours of operation. The formulation also helps preserve oil pressure for consistent lubrication and optimal engine performance. Shell Rotella T6 is particularly well-suited for diesel-powered vehicles operating in colder climates, as it performs reliably even at low temperatures. It is an ideal option for commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickups, and other diesel applications where SAE 5W30 oils are recommended. By combining improved fuel economy, advanced additive protection, and durability in demanding conditions, Rotella T6 stands out as a dependable choice for diesel engine owners who want long-lasting performance, maximum protection, and peace of mind on the road. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1's Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is formulated with a fully synthetic, advanced formula designed to maximize engine protection and longevity. Its carefully engineered composition helps prevent the buildup of deposits and sludge, keeping engines cleaner over extended periods and supporting longer engine life. The oil maintains stable viscosity under a wide range of operating conditions, ensuring consistent lubrication and protection for critical engine components. By combining high-quality base oils with a precise blend of performance-enhancing additives, this product delivers excellent wear protection, reduces friction, and promotes smoother engine operation, even under heavy loads or extreme driving conditions. One of the standout features of Mobil 1 Extended Performance is its remarkable thermal and oxidation stability. This means the oil resists breaking down at high temperatures, providing consistent performance and safeguarding the engine against the damaging effects of heat and contaminants. Its formulation also helps maintain optimal oil pressure and flow, which is crucial for protecting internal components like bearings, pistons, and camshafts from excessive wear. In addition to high-temperature protection, this oil excels in low-temperature performance. Its superior cold start capabilities allow the engine to start quickly in cold weather, delivering immediate lubrication and reducing wear during the critical initial moments after ignition. This ensures faster protection and helps extend the overall lifespan of the engine. Overall, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil offers a well-rounded solution for drivers seeking a premium oil that provides long-lasting engine cleanliness, dependable lubrication, exceptional wear protection, and outstanding performance across a wide temperature range. It is ideal for those who want peace of mind and maximum engine reliability. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is crafted using the company's innovative Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a patented process that transforms pure natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. This unique method produces a base oil that Pennzoil claims is 99.5% pure, significantly reducing impurities compared to conventional oils derived from crude. When paired with Pennzoil's advanced performance additive system, this oil can help improve fuel efficiency, potentially giving drivers up to 550 extra miles per year compared to a dirty engine. This synthetic oil is particularly well-suited for modern turbocharged engines, offering protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a condition that can damage pistons in high-pressure environments. It also excels in extreme temperatures. During cold starts, it flows quickly to lubricate engine parts immediately, reducing wear, while in hot conditions, it resists evaporation better than many conventional oils, helping maintain optimal engine performance. Pennzoil Platinum also keeps pistons exceptionally clean, up to 50% cleaner than the requirements set by Sequence IIIH testing, one of the industry's toughest standards. Cleaner pistons help engines run more efficiently and last longer over time. This motor oil meets or exceeds a wide range of specifications, approvals, and manufacturer recommendations, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo. It surpasses the requirements of API-SN+, API-SN-RC, and all prior categories, as well as ILSAC GF5 and ASIA A1/B1, making it a reliable choice for drivers seeking long-lasting protection, superior cleanliness, and excellent performance across a variety of modern vehicles. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. For engines with over 75,000 miles, Mobil 1 offers a specially formulated full synthetic high-mileage motor oil designed to deliver superior protection and performance. This oil provides excellent overall lubrication and wear resistance, outperforming Mobil 1's conventional high-mileage oils and helping to extend the life of older engines. It is engineered to protect critical engine components, reduce sludge and deposits, and keep engines running cleaner than traditional oils. Additionally, the formula helps prevent leaks that can develop over time as seals and gaskets naturally age, shrink, or harden, which is a common issue in higher mileage vehicles. Mobil 1 High Mileage Synthetic Oil uses a proprietary blend of premium synthetic base oils, combined with advanced additives, to offer proven engine protection that can last up to 500,000 miles. Its enhanced seal conditioner helps maintain the flexibility and integrity of rubber engine seals, reducing the risk of leaks and ensuring consistent oil pressure. This makes it particularly beneficial for vehicles with worn or aging components, giving drivers peace of mind that their engines are safeguarded against common high-mileage issues. Depending on the viscosity grade, this oil meets or exceeds multiple industry specifications, including API-SN+, SN, SM, and SL, providing confidence in its broad compatibility. Some viscosity grades also meet or exceed ACEA standards such as A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Overall, Mobil 1 High Mileage Synthetic Oil is an excellent choice for drivers looking to protect older engines, reduce wear, and maintain long-term performance.